Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th chemistry chapter acids, bases and salts part 1. So in this part we are going to learn the introduction of this chapter as it is first part. The contents of this chapter are introduction, earlier ideas of acids and bases, theories of acids and bases, acid and base conjugates, acids, then aqua regia, bases, neutralization, salts. So let us start with the introduction. There are innumerable chemical compounds in nature which exist naturally or are prepared by man. To make the study of these compounds easy, all chemical compounds are broadly classified into acids, bases, and salts. So now we'll learn earlier ideas about acids and bases. In the earlier days of experimental chemistry, it was observed that limestone CaCO3 gave effervescence when dissolved in certain solvents like vinegar. Moreover, dilute solutions of such solvents possessed a characteristic sour taste. Such solutions like vinegar were called acids. Sour taste, sour solutions were called acids at the time, and acidum means vinegar. Acidum means vinegar. Acids have a sour taste. Another classes of compounds were also recognized, the properties of which were completely different from those of acids. These are called bases. They were first isolated from the ashes of various plants and were given the name alkalis. So bases were also called alkalis. Arabic word Arabic word was alkali, means ashes of a plant. Means ashes of a plant. Plant की राख. Bases have a characteristic bitter taste. Bases have a bitter taste. Whereas acids were having sour taste. Now there is theories of acids and bases. Theories of acids and bases. The definitions of acids and bases are explained by two concepts. First was classical concept, and second was modern concept. Now, classical concepts of acids and bases. So, in classical concepts, an acid is a compound which contains one or more replaceable hydrogen atoms. In that acid, a compound in which contains one or more replaceable hydrogen atoms. Replaceable hydrogen atoms. Example H2SO4 or HCl. Now bases. Bases were defined as a compound of a metal which can neutralize an acid to produce salt and water. Compound of a metal which can neutralize. What is meaning of neutralize? That we'll learn in further part. Neutralize an acid to produce salt and water. Now, examples of this are ZNO or NaOH. Next topic is modern concept of acids and bases. Modern concept of acids and bases. Acids and bases were defined in various ways by early chemists based on experimental observations, but soon as chemists realized that the definitions based on experimental observations were imperfect and efforts were made to give their better definitions based on molecular structure. Modern concepts of acids and bases were based on mainly three theories. First was Arrhenius theory. Second was Bronsted-Lowry theory. And third was Lewis theory. Now, this Arrhenius theory, then advantages of Arrhenius theory, then limitations of Arrhenius theory, neutralization reaction, acid and base conjugates. This topic we will learn in part 2. I hope you have understood till this. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description. I hope you have understood this part 1. Let us meet in part 2 with the next topic. Thank you for watching.